Are you tired of walking into a room and forgetting why you're there? Or feeling like a permanent brain fog is holding you back from your true potential? Well, stop scrolling. Today, we're deep diving into the Pineal Guardian, the viral liquid formula claimed to decalcify your pineal gland and unlock superhuman memory. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if this is a miracle in a bottle or just another hype train. Before we get into the science, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. Let's be real. We live in a world that is constantly attacking our cognitive health. Between blue light, processed sugars, and environmental toxins like fluoride, our brains are under siege. Many scientists now point to the pineal gland, often called the third eye, as the master regulator of our sleep-wake cycles and mental clarity. Over time, this tiny gland can become calcified due to heavy metals and toxins. When that happens, your focus drops, your memory slips, and that afternoon crash becomes a daily nightmare. This is where Pineal Guardian enters the chat. It's not a pill, it's a high-potency liquid drop designed for sublingual absorption. But does the science actually back up the marketing? Let's look under the hood. Pineal Guardian contains 9 primary plant-based ingredients. I've researched the top ones to see what they actually do for your gray matter. Pine bark extract. This is a powerhouse. It's loaded with proanthocyanidins, antioxidants that help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. More importantly, it supports blood flow to the brain. Better blood flow equals more oxygen, which equals better focus. Tamarind and chlorella. These are your cleanup crew. Chlorella is famous for its ability to bind to heavy metals and help flush them out of your system. Tamarind supports this detox process, specifically targeting the pineal region. Ginkgo biloba and Bacopa monnieri are the memory duo. Bacopa has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to enhance neural transmission. Essentially, it helps your brain cells communicate faster. Ginkgo, on the other hand, is the gold standard for age-related memory support. Lion's mane mushroom. This is the brain builder. It stimulates nerve growth factor, or NGF, which literally helps your brain repair and grow new neurons. So what happens when you actually start taking these drops? Week 1, most users report a shift in their sleep patterns first. Because the pineal gland regulates melatonin, you might find yourself falling asleep faster and having much more vivid dreams. Week 2 through 3, this is where the brain fog remedy kicks in. You start noticing that morning grogginess disappearing. You're able to stay focused on a single task for longer without reaching for a third cup of coffee. Month 1 and beyond, this is the memory support phase. Users describe it as mental filing. You're not just taking in information, you're actually able to recall it when you need it, whether that's for a presentation at work or just remembering where you parked. You might be wondering, why not just take a capsule? Great question. Capsules have to survive your stomach acid, go through the liver, and then eventually hit your bloodstream. By the time that happens, you've lost a huge percentage of the active nutrients. Pineal Guardian is a liquid drop. You take it under the tongue or mix it in your morning juice. This allows for sublingual absorption, bypasses the first-pass metabolism, and gets those neuroprotective nutrients into your system much faster. Plus, it's non-GMO, stimulant-free, and manufactured in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility right here in the USA. Is it worth it? If you're struggling with focus, feeling mentally drained, or worried about long-term cognitive health, Pineal Guardian offers a unique, detox-focused approach that most standard vitamins just don't have. The best part? They offer a 365-day money-back guarantee. That's a full year to try it out. If you don't feel sharper, you just get your money back. That tells me the creators are pretty confident in the formula. If you're ready to clear the fog and give your brain the support it deserves, I've put the official link in the description below and in the pinned comment. Make sure you use that link to ensure you're getting the authentic 2026 formula and any current VIP discounts. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and comment below, what's your biggest struggle with focus lately? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.